Good evening, everyone. You're very welcome to our event this evening. My name is Lesley O'Hara and I'm the General Manager of the St. John of God Research Foundation. We're bringing you this webinar this evening on the topic of trauma and delivering it as part of our Learning Exchange series. I also want to draw your attention to the support information on your screen should you be affected by the topic that we're looking at this evening. At the end of tonight's event, we'll have a panel discussion with our speakers, so we won't be hosting or holding questions and answers after each of the individual talks. Instead, we'll collate the questions and answers and put them to our panel at the end. Thank you again for joining us this evening, and now it's my pleasure to hand you over to our host, Professor Fiona McNicholas. Fiona is a consultant child and adolescent psychiatrist. She's part of the clinical team here in St. John of God Lucena Clinic PAMS. She's also part of Crumlin Hospital. She's a very active academic, holding the position of chair in University College Dublin. And I'm very proud to have been working with her for a number of years now and delighted that she's taken on the role of chair for us this evening. So Fiona, over to you.
Thank you very much, Lesley, for that lovely introduction. And I'm delighted also to be linked with tonight and indeed with Lucena and St. John of God in their endeavours in terms of the St. John of God Research Foundation Learning Exchange series. And this has been going on now since 2021. Trauma, has huge psychological and indeed physical effects on the individual, family and society. And trauma-informed services are one of the 4 service delivery principles of the HSE and our health service. So I think it's very, very topical that we would be talking about this tonight, particularly in light of the Mental Health Commission report that has come out and creating a lot of trauma and concern amongst attendees, amongst clinicians and amongst service and managers alike.